Over time, your pollen or cabin filter can become clogged with dust, leaves, twigs, and residue from your exhaust fumes. Your air conditioned blower motor can come under unnecessary strain when your cabin filter or pollen filter is blocked, okay? If your filter is left blocked, it can cause your car to smell moldy and it can cause problems to your vehicle's AC system. So, if you've got a musty smell or dirty smell coming from the vents, or if you suffer more from allergies or respiratory problems whilst in your car, or if you've got poor airflow from your car's AC vents, then it could be a sign that it is time to change your pollen filter, as you do not want the filter to be clogged up with harmful contaminants. Some of the reasons why you should change your cabin filter is that you would notice that you'd have more better comfort and less odor in your car, as well as the efficiency of your defrosting, heating and cooling systems. You will also have a quieter air condition, as your AC will not be working harder when pushing out warm or cool air. It could also significantly improve your vehicle's defrosting system, defrosting any fog from your windows. That would help reduce safety and visibility problems. If you want to see how to change the cabin or pollen filter in your vehicle, click on the link in the description below. Most vehicle manufacturers recommend changing your pollen filter every 2 years or at least every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, okay? Or once a year, whichever is soonest. Do not confuse your car's pollen or cabin filter with your car's air filter. Changing your car's air filter simply means fuel coupled with clean air, where you burn more fuel more efficiently, therefore generating more power. And it also prevents black smoke from appearing. And that's because when the engine is blocked, it simply means that your car isn't receiving enough air or clean air into its cylinder, causing a rich mixture. And as a result, black smoke from your exhaust pipes appears, and which simply means that you're burning more and more fuel each time you accelerate, okay? But we're limiting, this video to just your pollen or cabin filter. And, chucking it into water and visually inspecting the debris, you can see that it's coming out from its strata, of the cabin filter. And if the foreign object debris, accumulates, your filter could get clogged. I wouldn't advocate that you wash and you reuse them. If your filter is clogged, just get them changed, get brand new ones to save on time, quality and cost, okay? And that's because activated charcoal or carbon is an absorbent material, meaning it actively traps contaminants in pores in the carbon, which works on pollutants small enough to be absorbed, mostly gases, but will not work on larger structures like lint. So you can wash a filter a few times to remove the larger contaminants, but the activated carbon will degrade in effectiveness over time because whilst in use, it slowly decreases in the number of available pores. Most activated charcoal filters have an extremely short life, and so you cannot recharge carbon by washing it, as it takes lots and lots of heat to bake the activation into it, essentially converting it back into activated charcoal. So you're better off throwing it away and getting a new one. If a plastic filter media binds the carbon, then somewhat to an nth degree it could be washed. But if you've got paper or cardboard binding it, then it probably cannot be washed, okay? So I have only taken out the debris from these pollen or cabin filters just to show you how contaminants can accumulate or clog up your filter over time, okay? Thank you for your time and thank you for listening. If you found the information in this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Helps the channel grow, and hopefully catch up with you later. Goodbye.